Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Face ID-capable iPhone and the latest iOS, plus the Chase app updated. Sign into the app with your username and password so the app recognizes your account. Once signed in, tap the profile or hamburger menu at the top left to access settings. This is where biometric options live. Make sure your device Face ID already works in settings. Otherwise, configure Face ID on the phone first before continuing. You now enable Face ID inside the Chase app settings. Navigate to Security or Sign-in Preferences, then choose Face ID. When prompted, the app will request permission to use Face ID. Tap Allow. Follow the on-screen authentication flow. This often requires you to re-enter your Chase password or accept a verification code sent by text. Once authorized, the app links to the iPhone's secure biometric key. This lets future logins use your face. You finish by testing. Log out and attempt to sign back in using Face ID to confirm it works. If the prompt doesn't appear, go back to the Chase app settings and toggle Face ID off and then on. Make sure Face ID is enabled in the iPhone settings Face ID and passcode. If problems persist, reset Face ID on the phone and re-enroll your face, then retry. If errors continue after these steps, contact Chase support for account-specific assistance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.